They catch him with the checks on him?
So
Okay, maybe I zoned out. I don't know
the
what,
checks had been cashed at a bank.
okay,
And I guess they were flagged as being
Sure.
fraudulent, and the defendant's signature was on the checks.
how do you know? Do you
The
have any
officer-
kind of visual evidence that he's at the bank, cashing the checks, negotiating the checks? How do you know it's him?
So it looks like the officer that was investigating was able to review surveillance footage from the bank and then
Okay.
compared that to a copy of the defendant's or photo from the defendant's Texas driver's license. And that's how they were able to identify him.
On video, they see him negotiating the checks, signing, putting it to tellers and taking it.
The officer stated in the DIMS that he was able to obtain a photo of the defendant that was taken at the time of the forgery and then use that to compare. He compared the photos from the driver's license.
Okay. What bank is this?
Barri Financial Group, BARRI.
Okay, Mr. Krasinski, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm ordering you now as a condition of your bond, not to pick up any new cases, not to have any contact with the complaining witness, and not to go back to this bank. Do you understand? Unless you have an open account in this bank. So what happened with the UUMV? Did they catch it? Was he involved allegedly with the UUMV? We know-
There's no allegation that he was involved with that, Judge. Obviously, there was a UUMB charge filed against this defendant.
Do
But
we have a co-defendant? Do you know?
there's no co-defendant.
So they didn't arrest anyone with regard to the UUMV, I guess.
It doesn't look like it, Judge.
Okay. What do you do for a living, sir?
I sell stuff on Marketplace and Amazon, stuff like that.
I want you to understand that I'm going to do everything in my power to protect every person in Harris County. And if I have to put you in jail to protect my county, I'm going to do it in a heartbeat. If you don't have anyone to pony up $5,000 to $10,000 to get you out, you will be stuck like Chuck in custody until this case is over with. And I want you to understand, you better have a halo over your head. Do you understand, Mr. Krasinski?
Right.
All right. Did you want to apply for an appointed lawyer, sir?
Sure. Is there any way to pay restitution on this?
Let's not just, first things first, let me get you a lawyer. And then have you talk to the lawyer and then try to negotiate something with the state. But I don't want you to start saying stuff because, anything you say, they're going to use it against you. So I need you to fill out an application for me, though. Do you mind giving me an application? Thanks. I'm going to have you sign a receipt with Jermaine, and then we'll have you take a seat in the jury box. Do not leave until you sign our bond conditions, though. All right.